Grouping on Mecabricks can actually be really handy, and not everyone knows how to do it. I only recently learned because I was like, oh, what does that button do? So basically, say I have a... I'll be right back. I'm gonna make a minifigure. Alright, now that I have that done, say I want only one minifigure. And I want to make the other one disappear or something. You know, I want to look at one minifigure at a time. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select multiple. Then I select everything I want in the group. And then I come over here to this handy tool. It's called the group tool. Now, and I can do the same thing to this guy. I just go to multiple. Select everything I want in the group. And now I have him in a group too. It is so great. And you know what else? You want to move a group? You can move a group too. It is so great for when you have multiple minifigs in a mock. And you might just want to move one of them. Or you have multiple objects in a mock and you just want to move one of them. And you just want to move, a certain group of them. It is so handy. So that's how you use the group tool in Mecabricks. Thanks for watching.